4,000% returns, and 531 rupees crore order book. This multi-bagger stock races towards upper circuit as EV launch looms no more here. Indian stock market started a day in the red on Wednesday with the BSE Sensex index down by 0.23% at 69,396 and the NSE Nifty index down 0.25% at 20,855. Though the market was in red, this multi-bagger stock is bucking the trend and trading in the green. Today, shares of the company hit a 5% upper circuit to 811.70 rupees per share from its previous closing of 773.05 rupees. The shares of the company saw a spurt in volume by more than 2.5 times on BSE. The stock we would be discussing is none other than Jinsol Engineering Limited. Jinsol Electric Vehicles, a subsidiary of Jinsol Engineering Ltd., is a rising player in the Indian electric vehicle market. Founded in 2022, they aim to revolutionize urban mobility with their innovative and technologically advanced electric cars. Their state-of-the-art plant in Chakan, Pune, has a production capacity of 30,000 electric cars per year, showcasing their ambitious plans for the future. Jinsol is diligently preparing for its EV launch. The Pune manufacturing plant is nearing completion, awaiting final approval from the Automotive Research Association of India, ARI. Furthermore, Jinsol has another plant planned for Sanand, solidifying their dedication to electric mobility. The company had a market cap of over 3,000 rupees crore. The shares of the company have an ROE of 21.4%. and an ROAS of 12.4%. The stock gave multi-bagger returns of 150% in just 6 months and a whopping 4,000% in 2 years. Electric Vehicle, EV, Sector Overview. The electric vehicle, EV, sector is experiencing phenomenal growth worldwide, driven by increasing environmental awareness, government incentives, and technological advancements. The global EV market is projected to reach a staggering $1,374.16 billion by 2030, highlighting its potential for massive disruption in the transportation industry. The EV sector presents an exciting opportunity for innovation, economic growth, and environmental protection. As technology continues to advance and government policies remain supportive, the future of the EV industry looks bright, with Jinsol Electric Vehicles poised to be a major player in this dynamic and transformative market. Do you own Jinsol Engineering Limited's stock in your portfolio? Do let us know in the comment section.